Hey, this is Chad Portnoy from WPTrackIt.com. Today I want to tell you about a powerful free WordPress plugin that we just developed that we were going to use for ourselves to set up tracking so we know exactly where all of our sales and signups and conversions are coming from. But then we thought as we were getting this plugin built, why don't we actually give this plugin away for free forever and not worry about charging it and allow people to let us know how it works for them, features that they would like to have in this plugin, and let us know and we'll add them to the plugin for free. Okay. So what I want to do today is show you how to make more money online with free WordPress plugin called WPTrackIt.com. Okay. So basically I'm not going to go through the whole plugin. If you want to, you can watch the video right here when you come to the sales page, when you click on the link below this YouTube video. I just want to talk about affiliate cloaking, okay? A lot of people are promoting affiliate products and they're not getting the commissions they should be getting because other people are using cloakers with their URL. So basically, let's say you send somebody to a affiliate offer that you're promoting and someone used a cloaker before you. That means that you're going to bring your person that you brought, say, on your email list, and let's say they go to the page. You're not going to get the commission because someone cloaked it. Now, if you use WP Track It, okay, the feature that cloaks the affiliate link of yours, you are not going to lose your commission. You're going to keep it. So this is how you can make more money online faster and easier and track everything, okay? So like I said, I'm only going to show you one of the features. Watch the video. Click on the link below this video. Click there and watch on the homepage. You can learn more about it. Right here, you can click on training videos. And then right here, like I said, if you ever need to contact us, let us know new features or any issues that you're having, click there and write our support and let us know. We get back to you and go from there. But what I want to do now is show you how to make more money online with free WordPress plugin called WP Track It. Okay, so let's just say this is your affiliate product, okay? This is just my homepage. But what you do is just take your URL, okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to come right over here. And then you're going to go, once you have the plugin installed, WP Track It, you're going to come over here to affiliate link tracking. Then what you're going to do is you're just going to paste that right in there, your URL that you're promoting. And then you're just going to make, you're just going to write something that you want to keep track of. You know, some people call them pretty links. We're just going to create a link that looks good. And we're just going to say, make money. Let's just do make more money. Okay. Whoops. So there we go. Make more money. We're just going to add that here, add the URL. So now we have it right here. So if you look right here, it says make more money. So if we go right here, you can see it's going to take your URL because this is going to be your WordPress website. You're going to be able to install this for 100% free and get updates for free. Then you see mine here is I'm just using juststreamitmedia.com/make more money. So what we do is we just go right here. So we just click right there to copy it. Then we can open up another window and you can see that it takes us right there to the home page where it was. So like I told you before, if someone sent somebody, let's say someone already went to the affiliate page that you were promoting before you, and then you didn't use a cloaker and they came back to this page right here, but you sent them there. You're not going to get the commission. They're going to get it. And your customer that you wanted for yourself to get the commission, you're not going to get it. They're going to get it. So that's why we developed WP Track It, okay? WP Track It can do so much more in keeping track of all your stats and other things. But like I said, watch the video on the homepage and you will learn about all the features. But we developed this to help you guys. And like I said, you can see the clicks that you're getting, the views, the clicks, all that stuff right here, okay? We wanted to make sure that you guys make more money, so you don't have to lose the money to someone else that's promoting the same product, okay? So if you ever have any kind of questions or if you're having any problems below this video in the comments, you can post them there. Or what you can do is you can come right over here and you can go up here to our contact and then just click on the support link that goes with WP Track It, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. We are here to help you. We want to help you make more money. And we don't want you to lose any of your commissions. Okay. So again, this is Chad Portnoy from WP Track It. Thank you so much for watching the video. And we're so excited to help you, grow along us with helping you build your business. Thanks again. We'll see you in another video. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.